Okay, everyone, if you are in my house at any time, never ever turn off the lights. So, when you are in my house, never ever do this. That is a no-no. Also, never ever do this. That is also a no-no. You do not mess with my lights. Or else you will be kicked out of the party we are hosting. So I am dead serious. You leave my lights alone when you are in my house. Also, another thing you should never do in my house is you should never ever tamper with my fire alarm. That is a big no-no. That is a felony. So, if you are in my house and I have my fire alarm on the wall or the ceiling and you take it off the wall or the ceiling, that is tampering with my fire alarm. And you don't do that. So I am dead serious. You better respect my property when you are in my house. And do not touch my lights and my fire alarm. Bye.